All right. I am now inside Hollywood Heat. You can see my controllers. I can teleport around. I've got a ball that I rendered, and I should be able to move it around. Should collide with things. We can move over to the hot shot ramp. Get up there. Hey, the ball's too big. Oh, there it goes. Oh, geez. Ah! Throw it over there. There's the ramp. Do I have it? I got it here. Let's go to the upper playfield here. Here's the upper playfield. You can tour around here, the playfield. It's a ball lock, rollovers. That's the hot tub area right there. All right. We can get on top of this. Let's see if we can get on top of the bumper here. Okay, look out on the ramp. Ramp falls down there. Goes through here and these two flippers. I think this is wrong here. This flipper's too big. This ball can't fall down there.